In this video we'll be looking at 4.5, graphing some extra examples. Not graphing, but doing some extra examples. So we're just going to do one extra example. It's another word problem. At 7 p.m., the temperature outside began to decrease (6°F) each hour. The temperature at 7 p.m. was 36°F. 1. Write an equation that models the situation. And number 2, what was the temperature outside after 4 hours had passed? Let's do a third question, number 3. How many hours had passed if the temperature was 6°F? Okay, so we're going to go through our process. Remember, we're looking to plug into this equation, y equals mx plus b. Step 1 is find the y-intercept. So let's find that starting point. At 7 p.m. the temperature outside began to decrease 6°F each hour. The temperature at 7 p.m. was 36°F. So which one represents the y-intercept? Well, at 7 p.m. we started at 36 degrees, so this is going to be my y-intercept. Okay. Now step 2 was to find the slope, our n value. Let's read the problem again. At 7 p.m. the temperature outside began to decrease at 6°F each hour. The temperature at 7 p.m. was 36°F. So I see the word each, so it's usually a good indicator of my slope, but I want to keep this word in here too, decrease. So what's my m value going to equal? M is going to equal -6 because I'm decreasing. Okay, so we got our values. We're able to plug into our equation. We got our m value, -6. We got our b value, 36. Let's plug in. Y equals -6x plus 34. Okay, we built our equation. So what was the temperature outside after 4 hours had passed? Well, if I'm looking at hours, and I know that I'm decreasing 6 each hour, then x must be my hours, so x equals 4. So we'll plug in 4. So I'm going to get y equals -6 times 4 plus 36. I don't know where I got 34 from. Sorry about that. This should be 36. Okay, fixed our equation. So now we're simplifying, so I get y equals -6 times 4 plus 36. So we can go -6 times 4 is 24. Plus 36, so y equals 12 degrees Fahrenheit. After 4 hours had passed, it was 12 degrees outside. So how many hours had passed if the temperature was 6 degrees Fahrenheit? Well, 6 degrees Fahrenheit, is that going to be x, or is that going to be a y value? Well, this will be a y value. So we have y equals 6. So we'll plug in for y and then solve for x. So I have 6 equals -6x plus 36. And now I'm just trying to solve for x. So we'll subtract 36. And we get -30 equals -6x. Divide both sides by -6, and we get x equals 5. So it took 5 hours for it to reach 6 degrees. Like so. So that's how we are going to be able to write our equations. The main thing is identifying the beginning, the y-intercept, and identifying the change, the slope. Then once you identify, it's then we just plug into our general form and we're ready to go. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day.